Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do a full walking tour. Oh, look at this. From my house to the shopping center, the Robinsons. If you're wondering what's the big deal with the shopping center, well, it's the biggest shopping mall in the area actually. So that's a very big deal. And this is where people hang out because strong aircon obviously, and it's brand new. Actually was constructed during the pandemic and opened last year, I think December. So, and it's just so happened that it's literally not that far from our house. I don't know if you guys can see the R sign. That's the shopping center. So right now it is 4:50 and it is hot, sunny, so I guess it's good workout. The only trouble is the roads here are quite dangerous because this is meant to be where I'm walking. Pathway is part of the road, so gotta be careful. So we are just walking. Yes sir. Gotta be mindful of people all over. You sweat easy when you're out here in the Philippines, which is good. I think today the highest temperature was 37 degrees. So yeah, that's pretty hot, 37 degrees. But you guys enjoy the sights and sound of the tricycles and different cars on the road, because they are fascinating. Oh, look at that JDM Honda. Yeah, that was pretty sick. It doesn't even have a rear bumper. Oh, I love this Hilux. Really, really high up. Good defense of floods. Ah, police. Police, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Right, almost with the tour. I'm out here in just slippers. I should probably take off my sunglasses because I'm starting to look like a mask robber over here. But you know, we're vlogging. Keep it hidden and all that. So this is the ground floor up. Carry on. So I always do a loop. So this is the first floor. The people in here, fam. Am I alright? Oh, gee. See that? I got fans. They're not really fans, they said hi to me. So this is the tech center, I guess. Never been this side before. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, some appliances. We're out here buying appliances. Okay. Okay. Checks. Okay, food court. Oh, okay, place is packed. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is the food court, guys. Very nice, smells nice, looks affordable. Okay, Macau tea. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please do remember to like, share and subscribe. That's pretty much all the 3 floors covered here in Robinson's San Fernando City, La Union. The only places that I didn't cover is the department store and the parking, but this place has, I think, 4 stories worth of car park, and I don't really want to go into the shops because I might get kicked out if I do that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please do remember to subscribe and hit the like button and share it. For those guys who have not seen the mall, here's a comprehensive walking tour, and hope that you can visit the shopping mall one day soon in the not too distant future. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.